1 Kings 18:41, KJV. And Elijah said unto Ahab, Get thee up, eat and drink, for there is a sound
Sometimes
of
you just have to immerse
abundance
yourself
of rain.
in the presence of God through his nature. I thank God for the abundance of rain that he's allowing to pour into my life. You know, I'm thankful for the blessings and the opportunities, the doors that he's opening for me and my family. I'm grateful, and I'm just enjoying myself in this moment, taking it in, washing away all of those negative things, and just believing God for more. As the scripture said, abundance of rain. The drought is over, and rain shall flourish in your life, my life. Let God water your dreams. Peace.